The Daily Code Snippet. If you have been following from the beginning, we have hit a milestone having gone through 30 videos. I hope that you are finding these videos useful. If so, please like the video and comment below. This past week we spent time learning all about links. We learned how to link to outside websites using an absolute URL, within a website using a relative URL, within a page using an ID attribute, and we learned about special cases such as a link to an email or a telephone number. Finally, we also went over how to make your links open in a new page so that your visitor doesn't navigate away from your content. Coming up, we will discuss how to handle lists. There are several different types of lists, such as unordered lists, ordered lists, definition lists, and nested lists. Also, stay tuned for the launch of Jumpstart Your Learning of HTML and CSS this week for those who want to accelerate their learning. Presented by Designers Learn Code.